Hi everyone, this is Josie from firstthecoffee.com. Welcome back to my channel. In this stitch tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the double triple crochet stitch. It's also known as the double treble crochet. The double triple crochet is one stitch taller than the triple crochet. As you can see from the swatch here, it's a very tall stitch with a lot of space between the rows due to the height of the stitch. And the front is a lot less bumpy looking than the back. So you can see the difference. This is the front and this is the back of the stitch. The stitch isn't used very often. I do currently have it in one pattern, and that is a wall hanging pattern. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check that out. Okay, if you're starting your double triple crochet stitches from a foundation chain, you're going to want to add 4 chains onto your stitch count. So if you want a stitch count of 6, you're going to need to chain 10. And once you have your initial chain, your first stitch will go into the 6th chain from the hook. So this is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Now what you're going to want to do is yarn over 3 times on your hook, and then insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again, and pull up a loop. That'll leave you with 5 loops on your hook. So to complete the stitch, you're going to want to yarn over, pull through the first 2. That'll leave you with 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. That'll leave you with 3 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the next 2. You'll have 2 loops remaining. Yarn over again and pull through those last 2. Now this initial chain here is going to count as a double triple crochet when you're coming back to finish your row 2. So it's important to remember this stitch here. If you need to, you can use a stitch marker to help you keep track of that, because you're going to have to go back into it when you do your last stitch on row 2. Now to continue on in row 1, we're just going to yarn over 3 times on our hook again. And we're going to go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. And then we're just going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time until we only have 1 loop remaining on our hook. And we'll just do that all the way across. Okay, and once you finish row 1, as you can see, counting this initial chain, we have 6 double triple crochets. So to start row 2, you're going to want to chain 5, and then turn your work. Again, remember this last chain, because that's going to be a turning chain in the next row that you're going to need to put a stitch into. So this is going to count as our first double triple crochet. So we're not going to go into this stitch. We're going to go into this second stitch here. So yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. And we'll just keep doing that all the way across. Okay, and this is where a lot of people end up dropping a stitch if they're doing multiple rows of this, because it looks like we've done all of our stitches, but if you count, we only have 5 stitches and not 6, and that's because of this initial chain. So you need to remember you're going back through this stitch on the chain, so you'll want to yarn over 3 times and then just go through that stitch and complete another double triple crochet. And there you have 6 stitches now on the row, and you'll just continue to repeat that for however many rows that you have.